Hi, my name is Manish Teja Gunter, and now I'm going to explain my dashboard for the sales analysis of Northwind Mart. My dashboard explains three questions, out of which the first question is, if you had to discontinue one product category, which one would you choose and why? So, this is the product category sales analysis. These are the different products on which the analysis of sales are described by the graph. So I was in a dilemma between the grains and cereals category and produce category. So after further analysis on produce and grains and cereals category according to the quantity and total, the answer that I came up with is that I want to discontinue grains and cereals category. The reason is, here we can see on comparison of quantity and totals between produce and grains and cereals, on 60% of sales on grains and cereals, the total achieved was around $100,000, whereas the same total was achieved, in fact, more was achieved on produce when a sales of just 40% when compared to grains and cereals. We can see that the produce has a total of $105,000. So, I believe the company should discontinue grains and cereal for its own benefit. Now, the second question is, which quarter do you believe is likely to be the strongest quarter in 1998? So, this graph of this graph of line item total of all the years and their quarters shows that the blue line represents the line item total over the years. We can see that the first quarter of 1998, there is a substantial growth in the line item total, which exceeds $3,000. $3,000. We cannot see such a value in any other quarter and any other year. So with no doubt, we can say that the first quarter in the year 1998 is the best performing quarter overall. Now, the third question is, if I had to hire an additional salesperson, which region would I hire in? This is a pie chart in a donut form which represents the total sales done by the employees in their particular regions. From this chart, we can see that the employee from the southern region, Janet Leving, has showed most promise in terms of sales, but we can also see that this region is being only marketed by one person. So if I were to hire an additional person for a region, then I would hire a person for the southern region. This would give the existing employer some help by reducing the burden. This will also give a chance for the employer to market the region even better. Now, I would also like to discuss two additional business questions in this dashboard. And the questions that I would like to address is, which shipper has the highest number of sales over the years 1996, 1997, and 1998? So, by taking a combination of graph and bar diagram, where the graph of the graph represents the line item quantity of shippers over the years, and the bar diagram represents the line item total of shippers over the years. So we can see from the pictorial representation here that in all the years, the United Package has the highest value of term of quantity and total in 1996, 1997, and also in 1998. So the answer for this question would be United Package shippers is the best shippers overall. And the second business question is, Which quarter is the least performing quarter over the years 1996, 1997, and 1998? From this graph that we have plotted between line item quantity and line item total over the years, we can see that the third quarter in 1996 is the least performing quarter among all the years. So from this graph, we can clearly say that the third quarter in 1996 is the least performing quarter over the years in 1996, 1997, and in 1998. So coming to the concept of drill down, to understand the concept of drill down, I have considered the product beverages as they are the most preferred and most shipped product in any of the years. So to understand the reason for this demand on beverages, I have drilled down into the beverages by quantity shipped by each shipper. We have three shippers here. So I have made the graph to represent three shippers by three colors. So from the drill down, we can see that all the beverages are being shipped in equal quantity except for the Cote de Bulia, which is being shipped the most. So this is the reason we see that the beverages is the product which has the highest total. So from this representation, from these graphs, I would like to conclude my dashboard, and I have faced a few challenges while creating this dashboard, and the challenges that I have faced are in creating this dashboard are uh, I had a problem understanding which attribute to pick to get this required pictorial data. For the second question, to get the perfect graph, I had to change the attributes to get the correct data. Because the fourth month made the highest total, but the first quarter made the highest total with all the months combined. So I had a bit of problem with this, but finally I was able to figure this out and complete the dashboard successfully. Thank you.